Meghalaya Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang confirmed the legitimacy of degrees issued by the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya or Ustm, stating that the university is recognized by the University Grants Commission and operates with the government's approval. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma recently threatened to de-recognize Ustm degrees for government job applications, which could have broader implications. Speaking with the media today, Walang reassured that the university operates within the framework of regulatory approvals, ensuring its degrees hold full academic and professional validity.
Ustm is a state university. As far as we are concerned, it is mandated by the State Legislative Assembly of the State of Meghalaya. The degrees are recognized by UGC. The degrees are recognized by the Medical Council. Therefore, there is no question of it being fake. It is a genuine university and it is supported by the government of Meghalaya.
Gyanesh Kumar